Hey Explorers, Kid Explorer here, and today is my last full day in France, last full day in Paris. I get up tomorrow morning to head to Charles de Gaulle Airport to fly back home to Atlanta. And it is a gloomy, rainy day here in Paris. Turning around so you can see, like, perfect setting, right? It's the last day, it's gloomy, it's sad. But today I'm actually going to roll through Marché des Enfants, which is the oldest market in Paris. So I'm gonna just roll through there briefly, probably pick up a little snack from Starbucks. I don't want anything major because after that I'm going to a 2-hour cooking class where we're going to bake croissants and pain au chocolat. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I'm gonna go on a Speakeasy Tour later today. I haven't heard from the host, so I don't know if that's still gonna happen, especially because it's raining. If not, I'll probably go to a museum or whatever. So last night or last day in Paris, let's go. Before we do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and a notification bell so you can be notified when all of my videos are released. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into today's video. So I'm walking down Boulevard de la Bastille, and I will show you how you can see the street names. They're on the corner of the building. They don't have like signs on the street, but you can find it on the corner of buildings. Starbucks getting busy again. Made it to Marché des Enfants in the rain. So the Marché des Enfants Rouges was really cool. You could eat there, you can get food there to take with you to cook, a lot of different things inside this market. I'm not too hungry and I'm getting ready to go to a cooking class, so I don't want to get anything to eat, even though I was very tempted. Also, I'm glad it was raining, so it wasn't as crowded. But I am glad that the market is covered. So I took an Uber over to where I'm going to have the cooking class. But I'm here early, so I'm gonna go inside this bookstore, and apparently there's a coffee shop, so let's see if this is the right place. So Airbnb experience recommended going there. You got here early, there's nowhere to sit, and they wouldn't accommodate, so don't know where I'm going. Time for a cooking class.
Zero flour. With your hand, or you can use the brush. You put in aside the flour, or you just grab from here, and then you tap all the way in front of you.
What is this brush called?
Baker brush. Baker brush. Flour brush. All the way, like this, and it's like that, more flat. So you do that till your finger touch the table. I didn't do it like that, I'll let you do. So then you can start to roll like this, but never till the end. Otherwise you are going to change the shape here, and I want to keep my rectangle. So when you roll, you stop here, and here you stop here. This part you just press to have the same thickness. She's great.
Look, I'd buy theirs. I don't know about this one.
You open it, and here you see two corners. We start to roll these two inside the triangle, and we shape the corner we want. Up. Here, you check if these two are the same size. If it's okay, you continue to roll. You try to stay in the middle, and this one stick to the bottom, and tap to fix it. And here you have your croissant. This is egg, cornstarch, and sugar. You boil milk and you put in this mix, and then you bake everything till you have something heavy, and you put in the fridge. So press. Press more. Voila. Press more. Don't go too fast. Yeah.
Yes.
With the boiling water, with the croissant in a tray on the top, and you leave it for 1 hour.
Masterpiece.
Good one. I think that's the one I want. It is. That's the one I said looked like it was flat.
Yeah. Yep. It's still really good. So, trying to take an Uber back to the hotel from my cooking class. Pouring down rain, grid light traffic, and then the police have the Gare de Lyon blocked off. So I have to walk the rest of the way to get to my hotel. Luckily, it's only a 4-minute block. Made it that far. Yeah, I don't know why the police have the street blocked off going to the Gare de Lyon. But at least I can walk this way that the car could not. Okay, so after the cooking class, I came back to my hotel room because it was pouring down rain and I needed to save my croissants that had 8 different baked goods and I did not want them soaking wet, so I didn't go to the museum. But now I'm headed to the Speakeasy Tour, so let's get on the move. Okay, explorers, it has been a day. So this issue, mosey into Gare de Lyon, catch the train, and my train is broken up. And the traffic is horrendous. I'm a hotel, so walking to another train station.
Not as fishy as that, not would be.
Okay, it's like it tasted the smoke right at the end.
So we just finished our first speakeasy stop at La Mexicalía. So of course I made it to the speakeasy, and now we're headed to the next one where we need a coach.
It's decent, yeah. Do you guys mind if I do boomerang and then tag you guys?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this was the one.
And I don't know what it is. Listen, he said it. I asked him again, and he said it was the best Chinese food. I'm not too sure. So let's go for it.
Oh boy, it's time to say goodbye to France and to Paris and head back to the US. So let's go check out a hotel, grab an Uber to Charles de Gaulle International Airport. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It is free for you to do so and helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments about this video, leave them down below in the comment box and I'll be sure to get back to you. But keep it classy. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. And if you would like to support my business even further, you can check out my merchandise shop, which is linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.